So today in this video, guys, I'm Tristan, and basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys a HYPEBEAST sticker haul, basically a Supreme sticker unboxing. I have a lot of stickers right here, and I'm going to be showing you guys all of them, sort of going over each one individually, blending it, the value maybe, and yeah, just sort of showing you guys all these stickers I got right here. I don't really want to show all of them yet, so I'm not going to get too close. And yeah, I just really wanted to talk there about those stickers that I have, and it's something that I really have right. And I've actually sold a decent amount of them on my reselling page at CLT Steals. Here's the at right there. If you guys want to go follow me, the link is in the description. I would really appreciate that. It goes a long way. My personal Instagram's there also if you guys want to follow me there too. Hey, that'll be cool. It'd go a long way, you know what I mean? You feel me? Alright, I'm sorry. But yeah, basically, another thing I need to explain is I also have this Supreme Super Soaker giveaway going on. So if you guys want a chance to win this for completely free, also go to the link in the description. Me and my boy Vintage Flame are giving this away. Shout out to him, you know, me and him have done plenty of business. He's my boy, and we're giving this away. So if you want a chance to win that, go link in the description. Also have a pinned comment with that and my destroyed box logo video. If you guys want to check out that destroyed box logo video where I cut a box logo in half, I'll link that there too. And yeah, those are a few things to check out. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would do that. I just woke up also, so I'm pretty tired. Like, subscribe for new, and want more content like this. Comment any ideas you want. I've said so much in this little segment, so let's just get started. Let's get into the stickers. Alright, so I'm about to go over some of the stickers that I actually got. So first one I'm going to talk about, you know, is this Supreme box logo. I sold this one, I think. Just have like one of these, or actually I have quite a few. I just want to show you all these. These just came in like the sticker packs. I think this is all of them that I have, but yeah, this is like 7 Supreme box logos, or I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 Supreme box logos I have right here. All of these I think I've sold, or no, 5 of them I still have. There's like 1 of them I've sold, but yeah, still have these. These all came in them, so these are pretty cool, you know, just a little part of the sticker haul. Always gonna have some, you know, typical red box logos. I sell a ton of these on my reselling page. Y'all wanna go check that out, go ahead. And some other cool stickers that we got, you know, we got the Supreme liquid metal sticker. You know, this is a cool little box logo sticker. I mean, they had like a T. It's not a box logo at all. I don't know what I'm really thinking, but yeah, basically just a liquid metal logo. I think it's pretty cool, and just want to show you all that one, so hopefully take a good look, you know. See that one right there. And then we also, this one has been sold, but the Supreme Eternal sticker, I used to have the Supreme Eternal tee. I sold that or traded it, I believe. I miss that tee actually a little bit, except it's a dope tee, but yeah, you know, got the sticker right here. Cool. It's alright, I'm crazy. But then, you know, we got some. I have the tee. I actually copped another one. I sold mine and copped another. I have the Supreme Don't Let the Dream Die sticker. I think I sold this one, if I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's a really dope sticker. I like the design in it. And, you know, obviously I like what it resembles, you know. And yeah, you know, box look on the back of the thing. But obviously I didn't show in the sticker, but you know, it's a nice design. Really good. Well done. And then, you know, we got like Supreme pliers, or I don't know what they're called. Is it pliers? Cutters? Something like that. But yeah, basically just says like, if this one's gonna be really hard to focus on. Yeah, you can't really focus on it, but this one's cool, I guess. Not worth a lot at all, like $1, not really anything crazy. But then we have the Supreme Life Sucks Die sticker. This one is really cool. I like this one a lot. I mean, it's cool. And you know, it's my friend Ian's. This actually brought a comment sticker, or all the stickers off of actually, in this one. But yeah, you know, you just see sort of this one. It's cool, you know, the bear, other stuff on it, but you know, side. And then we have 2 Supreme tentacle stickers, or octopus stickers, you know. The tentacles tee, but you know, they're octopus stickers. But it could be the octopus tee also. But yeah, basically I have 2 of these. I think I've sold both of them, maybe, if I'm correct. I think I have. These are pretty popular, so they're like $6, because these are also pretty, they go for a lot. So, you know, have these are nice. Yeah, you know, I like sort of like the color scheme on them. It's pretty cool. And then also I like how the tentacles are, it's like creatively done to, you know, spell out Supreme. Ooh, wow. That was probably really cringy, but keep it going, you know. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going, you know. We have energy for this video, so we're gonna keep it going. We're not gonna lose it to something like that, all right? We just ain't gonna let it happen. I'm gonna stop talking now, though. Next up, we have the Supreme payphone sticker. This one's actually really cool. I think I've sold this. But you see this is basically just a payphone. I really like the sleek design in it. You know, shape fit, sort of different than the rest of the Supreme stickers. And yeah, it's nicely done. I like it. Supreme, good job. Not too much to say. It's cool. It's well done. Good job, Supreme. Good job. And then we also have the Supreme kid sticker. This one is cool, but you know, it says some other stuff on it that I'm not like the biggest fan of. Maybe you can see it, but like, yeah, you know, it's a cool sticker. But, you know, Supreme's always sort of like with a more edgy sort of theme, so like this fits them well. So this is actually a well done sticker in my opinion. And it's also a bigger sticker than you notice. Like comparing this to a box logo, in like vertical. I'm not really gonna try and like explain it, but like you get what I mean. Like the Supreme box looks skinnier than this. But the Supreme box looks longer. But yeah, cool sticker, well done. Supreme did a good job designing it. And next up, this one actually goes for a good amount of money. This one sold was popular. Supreme Nun sticker. This one's well done design. Also, as you can see, you know, sort of a more creative design. Really done just well. Yeah, you know, I just sort of like the artistic style of it. I'm not really gonna try and keep using big words like I know too much. But yeah, you know, just it's a good sticker and it goes for about like $4 to like $6. But yeah, I sold mine for steals because that's what I do. So obviously this one went quick. Wasn't shocked really too much about it. And yeah, if you guys want more deals, just like steals like this, then follow my page right there in the description. And I promise you I'll throw you some deals. I got you. And next up, just want to throw this one in there. I'm gonna skip a couple of them, but I'm actually gonna talk about this one first. These Supreme Ganesh stickers. I think I may still have one of these available. I'm not too sure. I have to check, but yeah, these are pretty cool. Yeah, I just like the design of them. I have the T for this, so these stickers are sort of cool. I wanted to keep them, but I was like, you know what, I might as well sell them. They're part of my stock. That's what I did. And yeah, I have these stickers, so they're pretty decently cool, you know. And yeah, you know, they're sort of hard to stick though. Like you can tear some of the things off. Like it's hard to like peel this. Like if you imagine, like, get what I'm talking about. But you know, cool stickers. And yeah, I like the design of them, and just sort of like, I like the bold like font of it. That's what I like about it. It's just like cool, you know what I mean? Maybe you understand. Next up, I'm gonna have to do a little bleeping here, but this is the Supreme sticker. As you can see, don't want to show too much. It's the Supreme sticker. Hopefully I do some blurring too. And yeah, a little bit inappropriate, so I don't want to show too much, but it's a cool sticker. You know, notice it's a little bit bigger. But yeah, it's explicit, so I'm not the biggest fan, but obviously I don't care too much about that kind of stuff. Like I think I have tees with cuss words on them. I did have a box logo that said like some cuss words on it, but obviously I cut that up, which you can check that video out in the pinned comment. See how I threw that in there? Slick as anything, bro, I swear. Yeah, just sort of cool sticker, but nothing crazy. I don't really care about it too much. And then next up, we have the Supreme Taboo collaboration sticker. I really don't know too much about Taboo, but I do like the creativity of the sticker and just sort of like all the shapes on it and more the abstract style. And yeah, you know, Supreme right there, as you notice it. But this isn't really too crazy, but you notice it's a more rectangular sticker, not like a, not rectangular, but more like sort of close to a square. But I still believe it's a rectangle a little bit. But yeah, I think you get what I mean. A little bit different shape than a normal box logo sticker. It's nothing close to a box logo, but it does have Supreme on it, so it's sort of cool. Not worth that much, I'd say. But next up, these are the most valuable stickers that I was given. These are really cool. Supreme TVT stickers. I think I may have, I think I've sold both these if I'm correct. These go for about like $10, $7, around there. Like that's a big sort of range. Like I just threw out a lot of numbers there. But yeah, these stickers are cool. I like the design of them. Obviously we know the T's are more valuable. So these are pretty cool that I got these. And yeah, just I really want to show you guys an up close sort of this sticker. So you can see, like, look at that. Like the design, it's really crazy. And you got the little red Supreme box logo right there. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Well done sticker. I really like it. Glad to have it for sure. And next up, this is, I'm also gonna have to do some more bleeping for this. This is from 2016. This is for, it's old sticker, a Supreme sticker. As you can see, like you can read all the stuff on there. There's a lot of explicit stuff, but this is from 2016. This is a more valuable sticker too. It goes for around I'm selling it for $4 to $6. And I don't know if I've sold it yet. I think I might have, I'm not too sure. But yeah, as you can see, like this sticker actually goes for a lot more since it's from 2016. Like it probably will not focus on the 2016, but maybe you can see that like it says Supreme 2016 there in the corner. So it's a cool sticker. I like it. It has a little bit of, not history, like it hasn't been that long, so I'm not gonna say that word really and throw it in there with that. But yeah, cool sticker, but it's just nothing really too much, like nothing too crazy. And next up, I have this sticker, the Supreme Knot sticker. This was the Knots tee, and I know this doesn't go, I don't know how much the Supreme Knot sticker goes for, but I'm not selling it for too much. Camera's gonna have trouble focusing on this, but now it is focusing. But you can see the sticker's pretty crazy, has a lot of designs on it, and this one's pretty cool, but I'm not selling it for much, like $150, which is a huge deal. So if you guys want to cop this one, in the description, of course, you can check that one out. And then I also have the Supreme Ladybug sticker. As you can see, this one goes for like $6, but I'm selling it for like $3, I think. So if you want to pick up this deal too, let me know in the description. But yeah, the sticker's pretty cool. You know, ladybugs, I have some in my room sometimes, and that's why I'm like, I'm tripping about ladybugs when that happens. I don't like it, but the sticker's cool nonetheless, and I'm definitely selling this one. So if anybody wants that one, let me know. And next up, a collaboration I wasn't like the biggest fan of, but I was like, this is an interesting sticker, and my friend just threw it in there for me. So yeah, we got the Supreme Rubber Johnny sticker. It's a big one. I'm not sure if I sold this. I don't think I have. But yeah, it's a big sticker. Like you can see, this is a Chris Cunningham collaboration. He's like a British filmmaker, and he makes a lot of like pretty interesting films with like aliens and stuff like that. It's a cool little collaboration we got here with Supreme. And yeah, nonetheless, this is really weird. So I'm selling it. I don't really want to put that on my desk. And then next up, the final stickers I'm showing. These ones are, I think I've sold both of these, or no, I've sold one of them. I've sold this one, the Supreme Nan Golden Taxi sticker, as you can see. And yeah, this one's like pretty cool, you know, people riding through in a taxi. And yeah, you know, this collaboration is actually going for a decent amount of money on the skate decks now. The skate decks are actually going for a lot. But look, you can see the design in the back. Just Supreme Nan Golden. Obviously it doesn't show in the sticker, so you don't get this on the box look or anything, so it doesn't really show or anything, so nothing crazy. And the next one is also a Supreme Nan Golden sticker, but it has like nudity on it, so like I'm probably gonna blur that like word out too, because I just really don't want to get demonetized or anything. I just don't even want to talk about that at all. And this just has it on it, so I can't show the sticker. This isn't anything about the collaboration or at all. Like I promise you, it's Supreme Nan Golden sticker right there, and I'm selling that one too on my Instagram where I can show it. So if you want to check that out, that's in the description. I have that for sale. Not too much either. I think that sticker's like $2, maybe, probably less. I sell my shit for really cheap, to be honest. Yeah, that's really it for the video. Not too much really too crazy to talk about. We do have, yeah, well, a lot of stickers right here, so yeah, you know, pretty cool. And yeah, you know, trying to make a thumbnail here if you don't notice. Let's just roll the outro. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to go into the description and enter me and Vintage Flame Super Soaker giveaway. Supreme Super Soaker, by the way, you know, check that out right there. It's a pretty cool, interesting item. You annoy your friends with it, do stuff like that. Other fun things with this, and we just decided to give it away because it is summer themed, so you know, pretty cool. Yeah, more stuff in the back right there you can check out. And yeah, this is a pretty cool item, so we're giving that one away. We just thought that'd be cool, so I hope you guys will enjoy that. It's in the description, don't forget. My Instagram's also down there if you guys want to buy any of these stickers I haven't sold yet. You know, don't forget, I got plenty of them, so there you go. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate the recent love. It means so much to me, like really it does, so thank you guys so much. I've been working hard, so if you guys can't tell, you know, I'm not stressing on the content. I'm just trying to come up with a lot of creative ideas and different ideas, so hope you guys enjoy it. Comment on any ideas too you want to see down below in the future also. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. Seriously, I mean that when I say that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you all in the next one. I'm Tristan, and peace out.